kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke admission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela ubaklah kaman rembui ubadairu amal ie ke amlaram konstituensi. Hak hendai terik ujel dio aja pun riau. Ulong bagi kam Jngohkai Pyrthei bak kaki ke kamai jengki pajba kiba jusanya nak Jngohkai Pyrthei kila syak Ktah bah. Nama ka Duna kinong Jngohkai Pyrthei panhiar sa Riwar-Dawki nak Shna ke Surok Shillong-Dawki. Hak jengikran bagi lap sai kubur ubak rembui lokon tui pajba ka thain Riwar-Dawki. Bakin long ke bayesha katukan ni kat barang Shna ke Surok buat ongru baka jing Shna ke ni ke Surok kan penmentohi ki pajba sakat tukat ni por.
Is blessed with the natural beauty which we are having. But having said that, the government of Meghalaya and also the government of India recognize the importance of tourism. But tourism, you cannot develop tourism without the road communication, telecommunication, and other basic facilities. So we are very thankful to the government of India having financed the Shillong-Dawki road, which the construction is going on. And yes, as of now, the tourist inflow through that area is affected. The livelihood of the people is affected. But something that we need to be patient in the sense that now I have seen that the work is progressing well. And I hope that in a very short time that the executing parties or the contractor will be able to complete the job. But as of now, it affects the Dawki area, it affects Maulanong, it affects those areas, it affects livelihood people. But as I said, that due to the ongoing construction, so as you know that the soil in that area is not stable, and whenever there is a small rain or so, landslide is always there. So precaution is needed because we cannot deny the fact that human life also have been lost during the ongoing construction. So it is duty of the sub-divisional magistrate to see that all precautionary measures should be taken. And it's a duty of the government also to see that the construction should complete as early as possible.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.